Hi everybody, I'm Steve Wilton, President and Founder of Amplified Analytics, a managed service analytics company. So today I'd like to give you a little bit of an overview of who we are, what we do, where we came from. So for starters, where do we come from? Well, we came from a decade of contact center consulting. So while we were consulting, what we discovered was we had a lot of contact center customers with analytics that needed help. They weren't that successful with the solution. So what we did was we would consult with them. We would build their speech analytics program. We'd train them. We'd come back and fix their speech analytics program. We'd train them again. We found this a very frustrating process where customers weren't getting the value out of the solution that they wanted. So we thought, you know what, there must be a better way. And here we are, Amplified Analytics. So what do? Well, we are a managed services analytics company. What that means is we save you hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in resource costs and the risk of not being successful with the analytics solution. We do that by using experts in the analytics field and the solution together at no additional cost, if you can imagine, to make sure that the system is implemented properly, done the right way, and done very quickly. And you know what the interesting thing overall about that is? We actually accelerate your ROI by 6 to 12 months because we do it right away, and we get you your ROI back very quickly. So let me step back a little bit. Let me talk about what speech analytics is. Speech analytics is a solution that takes the interactions from your contact center, let's say your text-based interactions and your recordings. Recordings come in the system and they're transcribed into text. We wipe out all the PCI data by redacting it. Then we use the system's intelligence and our expertise to build highly accurate categories and scores around your business outcomes. We use those business outcomes to measure and understand where you need improvement, get insights into your business, and to measure that improvement with your actions that come from the system. One of the areas that we find that we do all the time for our customers, which is a really interesting one, is QA automation. So what is QA automation? QA automation is a system that takes your current QA form in your contact center and we fully automate it in our speech analytics system, exactly the way that you do it today. So this is a very interesting process because what it does is it takes, instead of doing 1 or 2% manual subjective evaluations, as you're currently doing today, we give you 100% objective evaluations done by the system. What's even better is that those objective evaluations are given to everybody in the organization. Everybody understands where you need help and who needs help and how to help you. The other thing it creates self-motivation by the agents. They get to see their data on a daily basis. That allows them to be able to be motivated as to how to improve and ask for help when they can't. The other thing it does is it gives them a ranking against other agents in terms of how they're performing, more motivation to be successful. So one of the other things I want to mention too is that our system, we have built our platform and our services to be able to be offered to customers of all sizes, from 5 agents to thousands of agents. We start at $30,000 a year. Oh, and by the way, one more thing, the QA automation piece, that actually saves you 50% of your QA costs, which more than pays for the entire system on its own. Please remember that. So last thing, what I'd like you to do is to please watch the rest of the video, see our system in action, and also leave your information on this page so that we can then get in touch later and talk about how it is we can transform your business. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Meet Ada. She's one of many agents taking calls at your contact center. Do you know how she's performing on every call and where she needs training? Now you can turn insights about Ada's call activity into action with Eureka Coach from CallMiner. Coach allows you to spend far more time on actual coaching with automated analytics, AI-driven linguistics with emotion, predictive scoring, and role-based dashboards. Coach expedites quality improvements with direct agent feedback. The result? Ada and all your agents improve in a collaborative culture of optimization. The Progress Monitor compares agent, peer, and team performance. To identify how Ada is performing, The ad hoc call finder enables search for coachable moments based on call characteristics. The Contact Score Viewer reports team customer experience trends and training opportunities objectively. And inline commenting provides drill-down details that help agents focus on specific performance improvements. The Assign Follow-Up Actions displays management alerts by team, agent, and call. Agents like Ada receive notifications along with securely redacted audio and transcript detail from their supervisor. Role-based dashboards notify Ada and her supervisor about focused interactions. To engage Ada, the individualized agent portal targets scores, behavior patterns, and trends to generate coaching sessions on the agent dashboard. The inline call player notifies agents needing training with annotated call examples. And threaded discussions help agents like Ada respond to alerts and interactively communicate with supervisors. Coach scales to your agent quality management needs as your organization grows. With role-based dashboards, graphical trend presentation, and case management follow-up, Coach delivers enterprise advanced performance. That's why we believe Forrester says CallMiner's real-time and business insights stand out among workforce optimization suites. Ready to turn insights into action and take your contact center performance to the next level? Contact CallMiner for a Coach demo today.